Hello guys, welcome back to DJ Crypto World channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to claim unlimited SHIBA INU for free to your Coinbase wallet without any investment. You can see here guys, you can see this bot is 100% free, no investment required. You can claim this thing on Telegram every time and day. So now to start earning, Dogecoin say start. You can start here guys. And what you need to do now is just click on start. Then you need to join all these channels here. You need to join all these channels, which is right here. So I'll join mine now. I've joined them. I'll come and proceed. So guys, when you join all the channel now, click on say joined. When you on join guys, on join, let me check it. You can see I just got 200 SHIBA INU as a welcome bonus. I can see I can get 1,000 SHIBA INU per referral. So guys, I'm going to go and withdraw right now, right here. So guys, after doing some referral, I can see I just got one referral here and also another referral here. So if I check my balance, guys, you are seeing I have 2,200 SHIBA. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on withdraw SHIBA to my wallet. So click on withdraw, it's instant. So that amount, which will be 220,000. Then you can see. So guys, you can see it says it have been paid. That I can check my wallet that have been paid. So this site is really legit and it's really paying. Over here guys, you're seeing I just received 2,200 SHIBA INU from this legit instant bot, and this site is really paying. So now go there now and start grabbing this 0.02 SHIBA INU every minute using this site. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll make sure I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.